Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're doing great. Today is another wonderful day and I am going to cook chicken noodle soup. It's a very cozy soup. I've got one chicken, it's a young chicken, and I don't know how I am going to use it, all chicken or not. Hopefully not. I will try to use all those bones so my broth will be great. It's very important to have bones. I am trying to cut it into pieces and then I will see which pieces I am going to boil. My chicken is ready and I'm going to put those pieces that have bones into the pot with water. I think I will leave this for the next time, for some other soup. It will be enough. It's almost all chicken here in the pot. I'm removing the foam and cooking for about an hour or maybe even less. I use medium heat. I just put one whole onion and a carrot, just for taste. 2 bay leaves. One tablespoon of salt. And some pepper. I'm going to mix it well and let it cook. Removing the foam and let it cook for a little bit longer. While my soup is cooking, I cut some potatoes, half onion, 1 tomato, carrot, 2 garlic cloves, and I'm gonna add potatoes and fry all those vegetables. I also have spicy pepper, but I use it half. It's very good for taste. You can use the whole pepper or you can use any vegetables that you like. I always experiment and I add different vegetables, but today I decided to add 1 tomato and I'm gonna fry it. And I'm adding carrot, mixing it well. And now I am gonna add pepper, onion, half onion and 2 garlic cloves, and I'm gonna add some little bit of salt and pepper. Mix it well. It smells so good. I'm so happy that I added chili spicy pepper. It will give a great taste. And I will add my vegetables into my soup and continue cooking, mixing it well. It's almost ready. I'm gonna check my potato after a few minutes. It's very soft. Now it's time to add noodles. You can add any noodles that you like. I have different types of noodles and I decided to use this one. It's a great noodle for this soup. It's very cozy. I love it and it's very easy to cook. The soup will be great with this noodle, I think. Let's see how it's gonna be. So I'm adding noodles and I'm going to mix it well. I remove some chicken and cut it into small pieces after a while, after a few minutes. So now I will remove my onions. I don't need it. Mixing my soup well. And let it cook for another 5 minutes. And I cut some chicken that I'm going to use. You can put this chicken back into your soup, but I will show you what I'm gonna do. I just added some chicken into my bowl and noodles, and now I'm gonna add soup. And I'm going to serve it. I am adding dry basil, spring onions, some dill, and I am going to eat it. It's very, very nice, very cozy, homemade chicken noodle soup that you can make from scratch and really enjoy it. It's great when the weather is cold. We have snow for so many days. It's very, very nice for this cold weather to have homemade chicken noodle soup. It's nice to have it at any time actually, even in summer. But now especially is great time. It's very delicious and I'm so happy to share this recipe with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye now.